Do you know where is the nearest restroom?
Sure. It's near here.
Thank you.
There ito siya. Are you done, ma'am?
Yes, thank you. By the way, I'm Mary. Nice to meet you all.
We're really sorry about the confusion earlier.
I'm sorry, it's my fault. I thought I was still in your room.
We're glad that the confusion is over now. Do you need anything, ma'am?
Oh, actually, I was looking for my hotel.
What's the name of the hotel, ma'am?
It's Grand Hotel Latte.
Oh, we can guide you, ma'am. It's really near here.
Sure, I'll take that offer.
Ma'am, this is the Grand Hotel Latte.
Oh, I thought I was lost. It's here.
Yeah.
Thank you for showing me the way.
Yes, ma'am, and you're welcome. So what's the number of your room, ma'am?
80. You can visit me if you want.
Sure, if you're not busy. So, ma'am, we're now leaving.
Okay, safe travel. Bye.
Bye!